Okay guys, welcome back with me Irzi in Muhammad Irzi Gets Already channel. In this video I will give some video tutorial. In this video I will give you a tutorial in order tracker display. Okay. Step 1, as usual, step 1, we make a frame iPhone 11 Pro X, and then we adjust it left design, and then we prepare image to image this. After that we copy to the new layer. Okay, after then wait, this image don't add to frame now. Okay, then we copy this icon status bar. Before that we create the rectangle before, and we add to up. After then we change the color to white, maybe gray, or you can copy the color. After then we copy the icon and adjust fit it in the middle. After then we add text, namely is order tracker, order tracking, sorry. And then we add we lower the size to 25, oh no, maybe 20, and set in fit in the middle like this. Okay, after then we make the rectangle again, and we create the box and change the color to white. After then we add some radius, maybe 3, no, maybe 5. Yes, then we add effect, drop shadow x5, and w is 5, blur is 8. Okay, after then we add icon. Wait a minute, we enlarge and we add some icon. We adjust it and we add icon. You can open the Iconify plugin and import icon. We search how many icon, maybe search, then we import icon and compass. Yes, this is the compass. We pick one, just one. This is the icon. Okay, and then we sort the other icon, maybe call. Yes, like this, and we import, and then the car or delivery, delivery. Yes, it is the icon, import icon. Another icon, we search food. We pick one. Oh, wait. Yeah, maybe this is icon, import, and we search again. It's map. Yeah, we pick uh, this info icon and done. After that, after that we add the icon from the frame. Okay, first icon, we add a back icon to the frame and delete empty frame. We enlarge the icon. Okay, and we change the color to orange. After that we copy the rectangle and then we add a search icon and delete the empty icon. After that we change the color to orange. Yes, like this. And then we copy the rectangle again. Okay, after then we add some icon again, a compass icon. You can delete the empty icon. Okay, we just fit in the middle and copy the color. Okay, after then we copy again, but we add a large, maybe this, and then we add icon. We can just copy. Yes, like this, and we enlarge the icon. Okay, like this, and then we add we make a rectangle and we add top left and top right corner. Reduce is 50 maybe, yes, 50, and we change the color to white and add outline, add the thickness to 3 and color to orange. Okay, like this, and then we copy the rectangle and we put it down, just like this. After that we add this image to the frame, yes, like this. After that we copy the back icon to rectangle and we up layer, we change the color to gray, and then maybe we color just orange, but we uh, change to a little white, and after that we rotation and we fit it in the middle, maybe some large, yes, like this. After then we add a rectangle again for information delivery. We change the color to orange and add radius to 20, no, maybe 10. Okay, after then we add effect drop shadow, the X and Y and blur same 5, 5 and 8, but the color effect we change to the orange. Okay, after this we make some rectangle for the profile.